Cheese muna. Say cheese. Say cheese. Hello. Yes. Where are you going? Tunnel, say hi. Ayan o. Hi. We're here at Kibyang Tunnel.
Let's go to your right.
Waze ka ba? Si Waze ka ba? Destination. Oh, the dagat. Kian, look. There's the dagat. Where is it, Kian? Hi guys! Po. May sand? Oh, hi guys! Tali! Andito kami sa Kibyang. Here! And here's the dagat. Yan, ang init. Wow! Yan kami sa viewing deck ng Kibyang. Hi! Say hi! Hi! May sila dyan.
What's that? It's not. What is that?
Yan. Tingin kami ng view ng dagat here sa Kibyang with mom.
Kaya nadaan sila dito. Sa
Picture with me, Freya. Sit down.
mga motor dyan, mga motor. Hindi ka nakabidyo ka ba?
Hi guys! Hi! Freya, hi! Sa view sa Mountain Brew. Eat na. Wow, what's that, Kian? Here's our food. Pie and then cheesecake and choco ice. And here's the view here at Mountain Brew.